ROI decoding and image processing. This is the image, it has first is the JPEG's image decoding. It show the image JPEG's image decoding process, and the second was the minimum code unit and ROI decoding, and this image is a JPEG file structure and restart marker. For the efficient handling of JPEG images, it's important to understand the JPEG decoding. JPEG decoding and initially JPEG decoding processes. Here the first one is the JPEG decoding process. Initially JPEG decoding involves compressing entropy data into minimum coded unit matrices. Figure 1, here you can see initially they convert JPEG file into this transfer entropy data into minimum MCU coded, and subsequently the second and third decoding step are applied to each MCU, with each MCU having dimension of 8 into 8 and 16 into 8 or 16 into 16 pixel depending on sampling factor. So this one is the third. Now you can see in the second step. And let's see in deep learning task image. In deep learning task, image cropping is common to increase data diversity. Cropping can be done in two ways. First, decoding the entire image and then cropping it. Second one, decoding only the MCUs, overlapping the cropping window and eliminating redundant pixels. Efficient wise, the later approach means in this second approach known as the region of interest ROI decoding is preferable as it avoids unnecessary decoding. To perform ROI decoding, identifying MCU boundaries is essential. JPEG compression uses variable length code words, variable length code words, making it challenging to pointing MCU starts, especially when a MCU start mid-byte. Traditionally, the entire image had to be read and decompressed from the beginning, incurring significant overhead. JPEG standard allow for restart marker in compressed data, indicating MCU's boundaries. You can see in figure 6. This is the figure. Here you can see, and these markers align at byte boundaries and specified by a restart interval. For instance, a restart marker occurs at every MCUs when the interval is done. Interval is 1. Digital Flash employs an online ROI methods that dynamically decodes images based on cropping windows generated by training framework. This method reduce image decoding workload and minimize data movement cost between storage caching nodes and GPU nodes. In next video, we will see about challenges of deep learning training task on existing system.